Hello everybody. Today I'm going to speak on very important topic, why it is important to have a faith in our business and in our profession. What is faith? Faith is beyond trust. ट्रस्ट आज है कल नहीं है. आज मेरे दोस्त के ऊपर ट्रस्ट है. टुमारो बिकॉज ऑफ एनी negative reasons, because of his negative action, I may not have trust on him. But faith is permanent. It is absolutely irreplaceable. For example, faith in our religion. Maybe a religion, whatever I follow, like Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Hinduism, I have complete faith on my religion. I have faith in my God. Even in a good situation, I have faith. When things are not going great, when things are not as usual, I still continue to hold on faith in my God. Similarly, can I have faith, same faith in my profession, especially during this pandemic? What has been there, when good things are happening, we always talk good about our business, about our profession, and we feel very good about it. But when things are not going great, we start criticizing it. We start feeling that I don't know I am in a right business or not. Pata nahi, maybe I should change my business, and I don't see any future in this business. This kind of thoughts disturb our faith in our business. And my dear friends, when we don't have faith in our business, it's not going to grow for any reasons. For example, I am a doctor by profession. If I have faith in my profession, it's going to reflect confidence as on my face. So when a patient is going to come to my clinic, he's not going to see the interior of the clinic and going to decide a treatment. He's not going to see a receptionist, or he's not going to see a doctor, how handsome he's been there, and then decide for treatment. He's going to see a confidence on my face, and the confidence will be reflected on my face only when I have complete faith in my profession. So it's been very important that we should hold on the faith in our profession, especially when things are not going right. Now, this is a testing time has been happening. God wants to test us, and it has been very important we hold on our faith, because when we hold on our faith, things can change automatically. When we have faith in our profession, faith in our business, it helps us to expand our mind, and when the mind is expanded, the life expanded. When we have faith in our business profession, the new ideas comes up to plan, to think about how do we can go ahead and manage the things, how do we can create a new idea so that new things come out of the business. But it is very important that we continue to have faith. You may ask me a question, Ki Milind, there is no financial gain in my business. So what is the sense in continuing in the same business? I just want to explain a simple science which has been taught to us by our Guru Mahatriya, who says that where the faith grows, money has to grow there. Where the faith lows, the money will low there. So we just have to hold on our faith on our business, expand our mind, expand our thought process, become more creative, and we never know, something great can come out of our business in coming time. All the best. Keep on holding your faith on your business. Wishing you all most and more. Thank you.